It's important to be care confident about your child's health. 5-year-old Gan has a cough and his mum Ling is worried. The cough is noisier than usual and has lasted more than 2 weeks. What if it's serious? The Care Confident booklet advises her to visit Gan's GP. He explains it's not a bacterial infection, no need for antibiotics and no need to worry. Phew! Know what to do and when to worry with the Care Confident Guide, which will help you decide whether to treat your child at home, seek medical advice or get urgent attention.